Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on the metric system, common examples. This video will look at the main components of the metric system and give some everyday examples to help understand how the units are applied in the real world. Firstly, we'll look at length. The millimetre is a very versatile unit of measurement. It can be applied in many areas. Two of these are shown in the pictures to the left. It can be used to measure very short lengths and is very popular with builders. Centimetres, like millimetres, are a very popular unit of measurement. In most cases, they can be used interchangeably with millimetres to measure a wide variety of objects. One of the most popular and widely used units of length is the metre. Its use occurs abundantly in real life. Here we see a very large whale, and that's an approximate length in metres, and here we see a tree, and we usually measure the height in metres. Larger distances are measured in kilometres. As we can see from the diagram above, so it's this one here, it tells us the distances of various towns. And here, when we use distance in space, we can use kilometres, as long as the distance is not very, very large. But for example, the distance from, say, the Earth to the Sun, or the Earth to the Moon, we can definitely use kilometres. Mass. The milligram is a very widely used unit of mass when dealing with vitamin tablets. And here's an example here. The gram is used widely in many recipes when deciding the amount of ingredients that are needed for a particular dish. And hopefully the dish is perfect. If you have the right ingredients, the dish will be perfect. And you have various types of measuring instruments for measuring grams. The kilogram is one of the most widely used and versatile units of mass used around the world. So luggage is normally measured in kilograms, and the mass of a person using a particular scale is usually measured in kilograms. So they're just a few examples of some of the units that are used in everyday life. The tonne is used for extremely large masses. The three examples on this slide are perfect examples where the tonne is used. So very large ships and the containers they carry, we use tonnes to describe their mass. If you look at an elephant, for example, or other very large animals on Earth, we need the tonne to describe their mass. And a semi-trailer, for example, is a very, very large vehicle, and we can express the mass of this vehicle using tonnes.